Hello and welcome back to the fourth part in our series on surviving coronavirus in retail. Today we're going to dig down into in-store merchandising and layout and how lifting the appearance of your store can help lift sales, improve closure rates and drive additional revenue. People buy with their eyes, so as important as product knowledge and a clearly defined sales process are, creating an appealing environment that considers the natural sales flow and footfall can absolutely enhance the buying behaviours of your customers. And when it comes to sales, why would any of us ignore the finishing touches that can enhance your overall business? Merchandising, at its very core, is about planning and developing a strategy to enable your company to sell a range of products, delivering increased sales and profit. It includes the product selection, projections and buying process, and it's about having the right product in the right place at the right time, and importantly at the right price. In-store merchandising focuses on creating an overall appealing and enticing in-store aesthetic, and also the positioning and display of all products and visual aids in store to best present the products and to best attract those buyers. Over time, without you having a dedicated team member focusing on it, showrooms can start to look cluttered, overstocked, and the attention to detail can start to fall away. So now is the perfect time, when retail is generally closed or limited to the public, to assess your floor plan and make it sell. From a product standpoint, I always say that every item on the rack has to earn its place and pay its way. So try and apply the same approach to your layout. Every item in your showroom must be there for a reason and play a part in enhancing your revenue. So get critical. Sketch out the floor plan of your showroom. What is the natural flow customers take in the current layout? Are they naturally moving to each of the primary focal display points? Are they naturally moving from there to secondary focal display points that enhance the overall product offering? Is the balance of space right? Is 3/4 of the floor used for the welcome and reception area, but only 10% of the customer's time spent there? Taking into account the immovable items within the showroom, mark up your floor plan with what are the key displays and focal points that you want every customer who enters to see. These could be your primary product offerings or areas designed for tailored selling within. These are what you need to divert your traffic to. If you haven't already fully optimized the layout, how can you restructure it to move customers through the room better? Simple things like moving secondary product displays or even re-angling your reception desk can help to re-divert that natural flow. Depending on how you lay out your primary products, should automatically affect how you lay out your secondary displays. For example, in a formal event or bridal wear setting, if in your store you lay out by size, then naturally when you move into the curvy or plus size products, you should be complementing them with beautiful displays of supporting bolt-on products. And think practical. It may be additional support bras, shapewear or additional coverage items. Understanding your customer and their buying tendencies helps you to better position those secondary displays that will convert to the sales and make the sale of that primary item so much easier for your sales team. It's important to regularly assess your showroom and how it looks to your customer with fresh eyes. Look at your waiting room and your reception. Look at your primary product displays and your fitting rooms. Does every aspect represent your desired aesthetic? Does it create confidence and reassurance for the customers and elevate their buying experience? Stand in the centre of each core point and take pictures or a video in a full 360 degrees so that you can look at it from every angle, get critical, and make sure that every aspect and focal point works. A badly positioned mirror could give a customer a direct view into a back office, a storeroom, or even worse, into the bathroom. Instead, you could have that mirror angle to showcase additional product displays and upsell additional bolt-on items. Do you have texture, varied heights, lighting and warmth? In retail, so often product rails and shelving can be very linear and standard. Breaking it up with mannequins or creating mannequin display clusters with different heights and styles can add atmosphere, and it breaks the eye line remaining at the same level throughout the room. Something out of the ordinary, such as a different height item, such as a statement wall or a branded 3D wall, or a targeted lighting, a sudden different pop of colour when it's done well. This is what catches and excites the eye and pulls the attention. Nobody's excited by a beige and boring surrounding, no matter how beautiful the product is. Don't forget to apply the same idea as well to the front of your store. Remember that this is the first thing a customer approaching sees, so regularly go out front, photograph your entrance from every angle and assess your first impression. See how you can enhance that appearance. Your branding and the welcome that your customer gets on arrival can all be improved. If you're following an in-store theme, then every aspect of the surrounding needs to have it applied. Putting a gold bird cage on display doesn't make it a vintage surrounding. Putting a whitewashed bench in the waiting room doesn't make it boho. A theme has to encapsulate all aspects from decor to music to display units and the atmosphere that you create within the space. Create a design mood board for your business, taking your theme into account. And take inspiration from other businesses that do it really well and have created a brand for themselves based on the themes they create. Take inspiration from interior designers and the showroom settings they are constantly creating and displaying. More often than not, you'll find that the best ones pare it back and they don't overdo it. They have impact, they have appeal, but they also have restraint, creating a controlled and practical surrounding that still supports a business environment. And that's what it's all about, enhancing your business. So if all you focus on during this current situation is assessing your floor plan and the natural traffic flow, improving the layout of naturally complementary primary and secondary product displays, and assess every angle from a critical customer's point of view, you can immediately start to make small changes that can create a big impact for your business, your sales, and your customer experience. Things are constantly evolving, and your showroom and critical eye should too. It's never too late to make an improvement, and now is the perfect time to start. So, if you would like tailored support on any aspect of enhancing your business, contact us here at salesacademy@larkbridal.com. And until our next part, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay focused.